Growing Up Healthy is a coalition with the intention of building community connectedness in Rice County, Minnesota. When we started Growing Up Healthy 5 years ago, we conducted a series of community dialogues to find out from the community what they felt like the issues were. And what we heard overwhelmingly from community participants was a sense of disconnect. They didn't feel connected to each other as neighbors, they didn't feel connected to the programs that were designed to serve them, and they didn't feel connected to the community as a whole. So we designed Growing Up Healthy to start building a sense of connectedness. We operate on two different levels. The first one is grassroots community organizing. And what we do there is we hire a team of neighborhood leaders, and those leaders know their neighborhood, they know the residents, and they know what the needs and the issues are. And so by telling us what those issues are, we can then work with our partners at the systems level, who are all representative of organizations that serve families in Rice County. So we've created this constant dialogue between the residents who utilize the services and the decision makers within that service system.
Where else do you see organizations such as schools, city government, health sector, all coming together to work around community involvement and systems change?
All of the different programs that we develop come as suggestions from the teams of neighborhood leaders. Examples include neighborhood-based programming for children so that parents have the opportunity to go to work and know that their kids are in a quality program. Gatherings in parks so that women, particularly with the Somali community, can socialize with each other in the same way that they were able to socialize before coming to the United States.
What they're doing is a good connection, making the Somalis feel comfortable with the rest of the other neighborhoods.
One of the programs that we've designed is known as Martes en el Parque, or Tuesdays in the Park, to get people out and socializing and connecting with each other. Because we know that by connecting with each other, they're building their own social network. And what that means is, when they're experiencing any kind of a problem, they have somebody that they can turn to. When they're experiencing a joy, they have somebody that they can share that with. And this all leads to stronger health and stronger communities.
Como líderes tenemos que invitar a las personas que vengan a las actividades y para que todos estemos comunicándonos qué es lo que pasa con el vecindario. Entonces hay satisfacción para mí porque como persona pues es algo muy bonito que las personas cuenten contigo.
In addition to that, one of our major initiatives is facilitating the Rice County Mental Health Collective. We give equal weight to the treatment of mental illness as we do to the prevention of mental illness and also the promotion of overall mental well-being. Some of the ways that we do that include working with the schools to incorporate more social emotional learning, as well as the development of a positive psychology workshop series that we call Happy Hour.
Happy Hour is an opportunity for people to gather in small groups to learn a little bit about some of the research that goes into happiness through a field called positive psychology, and to actually utilize some of the tools and then carrying that out into what they do in the community.
If we can combine the work that we're doing in the neighborhoods with social connectedness, with the Happy Hour workshop series where we're helping people figure out how to build their own quality of life, then we're going to see increased social connectedness and overall well-being for the whole Rice County community.